Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place a vinyl sheet inside your bathroom. So this is my vinyl sheet I'm going to use. So I don't have actual footage of me actually cleaning my area, but you have to clean your area so then it's nice and flat in your bathroom. So you want to take measurements of your bathroom and place them on your vinyl sheet. And then you want to split the middle of your vinyl sheet when you're placing it somewhere. So now I'm pushing down on my vinyl sheet on the right side so then it can be flat. Make strips so then it's more easier for you to place your vinyl sheet. As you can see, I push down on my left side too. And I'm going to make another strip. And then I'm going to push down so then my vinyl sheet can get everywhere. As you can see, I finished putting the strips in my bathroom. I already did the toilet seat. Sorry, I don't have footage of the toilet seat, but you did the same process. So this time we're gonna do the cornice so then we can keep it nice and flat because they overlay. As you can see, I put stripes again. And I want to push it down so then it's nice and flat. Just re-ensuring that it's flat. Now I'm just gonna cut off the whole section for it. You want to push down after cutting down the vinyl sheet which overlays. As you can see, now I'm gonna cut off the stripes which I put in the bathroom. Now that I've finished cutting off my strips, it's time to put some silicone or make it stick down to the ground. As you can see, I'm going to use carpet tape, which is double-sided. I'm going to place some carpet tape on the corners of my bathroom. I'm going to smooth it down. Now I'm just going to place my vinyl sheet on top of the tape. Now I'm just gonna reassure that everything is in the right place and there's no gaps. Now I'm gonna just put some carpet tape by the toilet seat, and I'm gonna use adhesive spray on the floor so then the vinyl sheet can actually stick. It'll just reinforce it, just in case if it peels off or something. So I'm going to remove the one side of tape, and then I'm going to just place my vinyl sheet there, so then my vinyl sheet can actually get in place. As you can see, it looks flat, it's not bumpy, and I like it how it is so far. But there's another thing which you have to do. We're going to use silicone. Don't forget to put tape on the floor by the corner and on top of the corner, so then it doesn't ruin your corners. So I'm just gonna apply some water to my finger so then the silicone doesn't get stuck to my finger when I slide my finger through the sides. So now I'm gonna remove the tape while the silicone is drying. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And goodbye. Yeah, my tape is in the kitchen.